Meanwhile, President William Ruto was in Ukambani region Saturday in a charm offensive mission where he claimed a section of leaders from the region had initially pointed out that they were not interested in housing and fresh produce markets. However, the president says the government is nevertheless rolling out the programs in the 3 Ukambani counties. President Ruto's tour comes just weeks after his deputy Kithure Kindiki camped in the Ukambani region as he wooed Kalonzo to join the government.
Be a battleground ahead of the 2027 elections. Just weeks after Deputy President Kithure Kindiki camped for weeks in the 3 counties, President William Ruto was Saturday in Machakos County. And here, politics of development will take a center stage, and in a statement seen to be directed to Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka, the president claimed leaders from the region who are opposed to government projects. Ruto saying this could be the reason the area has been lagging behind in matters development because of politics.
Tumecheleweshwa na kufikiria mambo madogo madogo, tunasumbuliwa na ukabila kidogo kidogo na viongozi wa maoni ndogo ndogo.
Na sisi tumechoka kushika horns mbia wakati wengine wanakamua. Tunataka kukamua. Kwa hivyo nataka kuambia watu wangu ya kwamba hatutaki kufikia mahali fulani kwa sababu uongozi mbaya, kufuata tufua hivi siasa mbaya.
According to President Ruto, the government has made strides in development, insisting no part of the country will be left behind on development, no matter the political affiliation.
Tulikubaliana, we stabilize the economy. We've done it. Tulikubaliana, tupunguze mambo ya njaa. Tumefanya mambo, mahindi leo tumezalisha, ilikuwa 40 million. Tumekuja 64 million.
As Ruto continued with his charm offensive, his deputy Kithure Kindiki was in the neighboring county of Kajiado, also wooing the Ma community to support President William Ruto's government.
Serikali imetoa shilingi bilioni 22 katika mwaka huu kuhakikisha kwamba matibabu katika hospitali zote za umma itakuwa bure kwa outpatient, wale ambao hawalazwi. Na wale wanalazwa, kama we ni member wa SHA itakulipia.
Enyewe sasa tumeanza kuona ile slogan mlikuwa mnatumia ambayo ilikuwa inasemekana ni hustlers. Sasa this is the real hustlers benefit.
Serikali yetu inafanya kazi. Wale ambao wanataka urais wanasema kitu ya kwanza watafanya ni kutoa housing program. Housing program imepeana kazi almost 1 million jobs.
Leaders in government have been crisscrossing the country in efforts to woo Kenyans to re-elect the Kenya Kwanza government ahead of the much-anticipated polls. Daniel Kariuki, KTN.
The ruling UDA party has today held